name is Melissa Johnson, and I'm so happy to be here today to talk to you about some important changes with the real estate laws that many agents, buyers, and sellers may not fully understand yet. Some people think these changes are just a way of avoiding paying commission from the seller's side, and buyers have to come up with cash. But that's not necessarily the case. The truth is these new laws are a very, very positive shift for everyone involved in the transaction. In the past, listing agents were the ones who set the buyer's agent's commissions. That doesn't make sense. But now, that's no longer the case. It's similar to working with an attorney. When you enter into a contract, you agree to the terms and the requirements right from the start. As a buyer's agent, I now have the ability to set my rates up front just like that. Makes sense, right? Now, I know change can be challenging and change can be scary, but it's all about mindset. These changes actually bring more clarity and open communication right from the beginning. You've probably heard the phrases like buyers are liars, buyers waste realtor time, and looky-loos, but these are now a part of these laws. These are now changing for the better so we can all work together better. Communication is improving and our time is being used more efficiently so I can be a more effective realtor for you. If an agent doesn't fully understand these new laws or doesn't embrace them with a positive mindset, they may not be the best fit for you as a buyer's agent, losing you money along the way because they don't know how to negotiate through these laws. But I'm here to ensure you everything is clear and straightforward from the start. Setting my rates up front doesn't mean that a buyer has to pay for it. It simply establishes a standard and a guarantee that I will do the very best that I can for you. I believe in giving my clients the best possible experience. And I'm proud to say that every one of my clients that I've worked with has been happy to recommend me to their friends and their family. My goal is to be your agent for life, and I would love the opportunity to work with you. So if you're ready to make the next move, please connect with me today. My contact is somewhere here on the screen, and I look forward to working with you. Take care.